Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page break on your content using Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the page break to. Scroll down and tap on it. Now here you can find the pencil icon at the bottom corner. Simply tap on it. Now choose the paragraph that you want to add the page break to and tap on it like this. Then here you can find the option of plus sign button at the top corner. Go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the option of page break. Simply select it. Finally, here you can see the page break has been added to your document. And that's it. This is how you can add the page break on your documents using Google Docs. It is very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.